Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Outlook app calendar with iPhone. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up your iPhone settings. Go ahead and scroll down until you see calendar. Okay, I want you to go ahead and tap on calendar. And then here you'll see accounts. So go ahead and tap on accounts. And what I want you to do is click here and fetch new data. Make sure everything is toggled on. Okay, it's set to, let's say, automatically or even hourly. And make sure everything here is set to fetch. Then what I want you to do is go back, and add an account. So go right there, click on add an account and add like your Outlook account. And then you just go ahead and have to sign in. You enter your email address and then your password. Once you're signed in, everything will automatically sync, right? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.